Hi, I'm Maiko, your AI knowledge operator. My function is to give you the precise operational data you need to succeed. And today, we're diving straight into the high-stakes world of WhatsApp marketing.
Okay, let's just start with a number that should get everybody's attention. In India alone, WhatsApp has been banning over 1 million accounts every single month. In just the first few months of this year, that's already added up to over 8.4 million accounts. It's just a staggering figure.
And that one number, right there, illustrates the core challenge we're tackling today. WhatsApp is an absolutely incredible tool for engaging with your audience, but as thousands of businesses find out the hard way every day, sending bulk messages comes with massive risks that can completely derail your entire marketing strategy. So, to help you navigate all this, here's our game plan. We'll start with the high-stakes messaging game, then get into exactly why WhatsApp bans accounts. After that, we'll cover how to choose the right tool, walk through the safe messaging playbook, and wrap up with a final compliance checklist.
Okay, let's jump right in, starting with why this is such a high-stakes game to begin with. We're talking about immense power and, of course, significant peril.
Well, the potential rewards are just massive. It's why everyone wants in on this channel, right? The performance metrics are unlike anything else out there. A staggering 97% open rate, usually within minutes. Personalized messages, they can see up to a 45% lift in engagement. And for customer service, you can boost satisfaction by 20%. These are the kinds of numbers most marketers can only dream about.
But, and this is a big but, to get those kinds of rewards, you've got to understand the rules. You need to know why accounts get flagged in the first place. So let's really dig into why WhatsApp brings the ban hammer down.
So what's WhatsApp's goal here? It's pretty simple. They want to keep the platform safe and trustworthy for users. They're not out to get your business, they're trying to kill spam. This means they ban accounts for some very common violations. Sending unsolicited messages is the biggest one by far. Using unauthorized third-party apps, those modified versions like GB WhatsApp, that's an automatic red flag. Of course, sharing inappropriate content will get you banned instantly. And this is a big one. If too many users block or report you, or you just send a huge volume of messages way too quickly, their system is going to flag it as abuse.
So, this all leads to a really crucial point. Avoiding a ban actually starts with a single, foundational choice. And that brings us to choosing the right tool, which is probably the most important decision you're going to make in this whole process. Your entire success really boils down to this. Are you using the tool designed for personal chats or the one that's actually built for compliant business messaging? On the left, you've got the standard WhatsApp business app. It's fine for small businesses, one-on-one chats, sure. But for bulk sending, it's incredibly risky. On the right, you have the WhatsApp business platform, the API. This is built for scale, for advanced automation, and it's designed from the ground up to be compliant. And this really gets to the heart of the difference. Think of it like this. The standard business app is like a scooter. It's perfect for zipping around town and having those one-on-one conversations. The business platform API, on the other hand, that's a freight truck. It's built for heavy lifting, for communication at scale. Trying to send bulk messages with the standard app is like trying to haul a shipping container on a scooter. It's just the wrong tool for the job.
All right, now that we know which tool to use, let's get into the playbook. This is your step-by-step guide to doing this the right way.
The entire playbook, the whole thing, is built on one simple principle: permission. You absolutely must get consent before messaging anyone. Unsolicited messages are the fastest ticket to a ban. Here's a perfect real-world example of how to ask for it. It's clear, it's direct, and most importantly, it's documented. Now, just as important as getting them to opt in is giving them a clear way to opt out. You have to make it super easy for customers to say, no thanks. A simple flow, like just including reply stop to unsubscribe, works wonders. It cuts down on complaints dramatically because it puts the user back in control. What's really interesting here is how all these individual rules work together to create a complete safety net. It starts with the right foundation, using the official API. Then it's all about respect for the user, getting consent, limiting message frequency, and providing that opt-out. The content itself matters too. It has to be relevant. And finally, you have to monitor your own performance by tracking your quality rating. Each step protects you and your account.
So let's zoom in on that quality rating, because this is literally how WhatsApp scores you. It's a simple rating, high, medium, or low, that WhatsApp assigns based on how users react to your messages. Think of it as your reputation score. If people are blocking or reporting you, your rating drops. And if it hits low, you can face immediate messaging restrictions. Keeping this high is absolutely non-negotiable.
Now, that quality rating, along with your message volume, determines your messaging tier.
Everyone starts at Tier 1, able to message 1,000 unique contacts a day. To upgrade to Tier 2 and message 10,000, you have to prove yourself. You need to send messages to double your current limit within 7 days, all while keeping that quality rating at medium or high. It's a system that rewards good behavior and allows you to scale your campaigns safely.
Okay, to bring all this home, let's run through one final checklist. I want you to think of this as your pre-flight safety check before you launch any campaign.
Before you hit send on any bulk message, run through this list. Have you obtained explicit opt-in? Check. Are you using the official API? Check. Are your message templates pre-approved by Meta? Is there a clear opt-out? Are you monitoring your quality rating? Is your content segmented and personalized? Are you ramping up your volume gradually? And are you 100% sure you're not violating any of WhatsApp's policies? Ticking every single one of these boxes is your key to staying safe and being effective.
So there you have it. We've covered the why, the what, and the how of sending bulk messages on WhatsApp without getting that dreaded ban notice. The only thing left now is for you to put it into practice. So the question is, now that you have the playbook, what's the first change you're going to make to your WhatsApp strategy?